everyone, welcome to my channel. And for those of you who are new, welcome. I provide videos on essentially on motherhood and how-tos for moms. In today's video, we're gonna talk about what I packed on their carry-ons.
On the first part of this video, we will discuss the essentials and the first aid. And then on the latter part, I'll discuss the entertainment essentials for kids with a long haul flight. And of course, the snacks because this is essential. Now, let's talk about masks. These are very essential because of the coronavirus that is around us and it's still there. So we want to keep our children safe. And then the disinfecting wipes. This one, I use this to clean everything that my kids touched on. It's very effective. No one of us got the coronavirus when we traveled. This one is the fever patch, which I think will be essential just in case one of my kids will get a fever or whatever. I have it. It's good that I have it. And then here's the facial antibacterial wipes. I use this to wipe their face, their everything that they want to touch on. This one is the thermometer. I don't know if I might use it, but it's essential that I have this because we don't know what will happen in the plane. This one is the lip care that I have for my kids. I've been using this for such a long time. It's doing wonders for my kids and they love it. It's very effective. It's good for insect bites also. This one is the barrier cream. I use this so that my child will not experience nappy rash. This one is the soothing gel. Just in case one of my child will experience teething. This one is for itchiness. Well, my kids have all those sorts of itchiness, so it's good that I have it. This one is a nasal spray. Just in case they experience clogged nose, I have it. This one is a locally produced ointment for tummy ache. I've used this ever since I've given birth to my child. It's very effective. This one is a baby rub, just in case one of my child experience clogged nose or they want this. So this one is a paracetamol, suitable for the age of my children, and I specifically want this to be in a very small packaging so that it will be allowed in the airport. Now I have this antihistamine. Both of my children have allergies to chicken and everything. I also brought spare pacifier for my second child. It helped in the popping of the air on the ears of my child while we're landing. Here's the medicine syringe, just in case I would need it. And then a trash bag for all the nappies because the airplane have this air sickness bag for your diapers, which is gross. I also brought nappy wipes just in case I can't wash them. I also brought one napkin every 2 hours for Amal. And for Cassie, I prepared for the night times only when she's sleeping. I wrap everything for the element of surprise. And kids love surprises. The next thing is kids' bag with leash. This is dual purpose. First, when you're roaming around the airport, they will not be lost. And when you're on the plane, it will serve as their navigating limit because you have the leash and you can stop them immediately. The next one is new toys. This is the Sing 2 cast, which I secretly collected from McDonald's Happy Meal. They will play with this while watching Sing 2 movie on their iPod. Lego or Duplo. This is good to keep them busy and preoccupied. The only downside to this is that the parts will fall into the floor. Washable crayons. This saved my ass when I filled up several forms in the immigration. It kept them entertained. This one is another Lego, which She likes Mulan, so this will keep her preoccupied for quite a while on the plane. I should tell you, headsets are really, really important because in the airplane it's so noisy and it will irritate your child knowing that it's so noisy. Surprise, frozen toys, sticker book. This one is a big hit. She was preoccupied with this for almost 2 hours, and that's a yes, right? Coloring and activity books. Now let's move to Amal's toys. Duplo, Hello Kitty Duplo, another Duplo that will keep her preoccupied, and it kept her preoccupied. Another surprise toys for her. And here is a big hit, the crayons. She likes this so much. She colored a lot the entire trip. Even when we were in the immigration, she used this until we board the plane. And then the coloring books, it's also a big hit. She likes Hello Kitty. That's why all her stuff are Hello Kitty. So another one is the sticker book. She likes the dino sticker books. I know that we parents limit our kids' screen time, but this one should be an exception. It's a 16 hours flight, and the only way really to entertain them is for them to watch and, of course, eat and watch and eat. There's a free in-flight entertainment given by the airline, but it's not safe for my 2-year-old child, so she just used the coloring material. Snacks. These are the only thing that kept my child behave. This is where I put the food so that when the security asks for it, I can just pull it up. The last thing you need on a plane are kids who are hyper. So let's go for non-sugary snacks like fruits, like this one. Apple, orange, pomelo, grapes. Here is Cassie's formula milk. I'll make this while on the plane because she likes drinking milk and that's her soothing thing. So I need that on the plane with her. I also labeled everything according to their snacks, one for Cassie, one for Amal, so that they will not fight over it. Here are another non-sugary snacks that they enjoy, like Pringles, Picnic, and Fruit Loops. They didn't eat much of the plain food. Here is a water bottle that is empty, and I just filled out on the plane by asking on the flight attendant for water. It's fully sealed and it will not drip. Chips that they don't usually have, and Amal enjoyed this while taking off. The plane is taking off. The rest are sugary treats, which I intended to give them while waiting for our luggages at the airport of destination, which is a big mistake. I won't recommend you giving them sugary treats while waiting for the luggages because you don't know how long will it take you to get your luggages, and it took us like ages. I gave the lollipop when we're taking off so that it will pop the air pressure. Good thing when we're landing, she's asleep and she has her pacifier. That's great, right? I gave this to my kids when we're waiting for the luggages, and our stroller took forever to arrive. So they ended up eating chocolates and being hyper, and me having lost control of my kids. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe.